Hi everyone, how are you all? All are healthy? Yes, I hope everyone will be fine and healthy. Everyone is eating a healthy food, I think. Yes or no? Say very good, my dears, because during this period you have to eat the healthy food to live very healthy. And today we're going to see one subject. It is a subject that tell about our surrounding. The subject is nothing but EVS. I think all you like this subject EVS, right? This is a short form for one abbreviation word, that is nothing but environmental science. So that what we are calling as a EVS. EVS is nothing but what? Environmental science. In this, we are going to see one beautiful topic. The topic is about ourselves. For that, I am going to call one charming baby here. Shall we call the baby? You all like no, that is your friend also. That girl is you are one among your friend. Shall we call her? Okay, let's welcome our Sabia. Hi Sabia, how are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Okay, what are you doing in your home? You are played or studied?
Yes, ma'am.
Playing and also study.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Okay, now also we will play and study. Okay, ma'am will ask some question to you. You have to answer what is that one. Okay, I will show you what is this Sabia asked means you have to answer what is that name is. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
see now what is this one?
Eyes,
What is this?
nose,
What is this?
ear,
What is this?
mouth,
Inside that what you have? Inside white color. What is that one?
teeth,
Very good. Inside that?
tongue,
Very good, Sabia. Okay, what is this one, Sabia?
hand,
This one?
hand,
Very good. What is this?
stomach,
Very good. What is this one? See here. What is this?
leg,
Leg. See, what is this one?
toes,
Very good. Everything you are saying no. From this, what you are coming to say? What I am coming to say, ma'am is saying now. What ma'am going to teach now today? What is this everything, Sabia?
parts of the body,
Very good. What is this? Parts of the body. Okay. Let me write stand answer. Okay. Parts of the body. P-A-R-T-S. Parts of the body. You already studied in the previous class itself, but we are going to see now our body. What? See here, our body. O U R our B O D Y, our body. Okay. So in the class we are going to see about our body. Okay. Our body is divided into three parts. How many parts?
3 parts,
Three parts. First is your head part. What part?
head,
Next is your trunk part.
tongue,
Trunk. Next is your limb part. What?
limb,
Two hands and a legs are what part? Limbs part. What part?
next part,
Okay, dear. First is the head part. H-E-A-D, head. Next is your trunk part. T-R-U-N-K. Okay, trunk part. And the last one is what part? Limb part. Okay, limbs. L-I-M-B-S. Limbs. Okay, let me see what are the parts. What are the parts inside that part? Let me see now. It's three main part. Okay, I said no, head, trunk and limbs is a three main part. In this three main part, we having some small parts are there. Okay, let me see now.
smell,
Okay, first I say head. No, what are the things in the heads? Tell me in your head. What are the things are there? Eyes, nose, mouth, ear, tongue,
tongue,
teeth,
teeth,
chin.
chin,
What is this one? This one. Hair. Some hair is there. No, what is this?
hair,
No, eyebrows. What?
eyebrows,
Eyebrows. Okay, what is
Eyebrows.
this? You comb very nicely. What is that one? Hair.
hair,
Yes, it's your hair. Very nice. You having the hair having dear. Okay, very good. Next is a what part? You having a trunk part said, no ma'am. What is this one you said? Stomach you said. No, you have to say this as another name as what? Abdomen. You having a chest and abdomen in your trunk. Next we are going to see what part? Trunk part. In your trunk part you having a two part. One is your abdomen and another one is your chest. Okay. And the next is you having a two hands and two legs. What are this one? These are your limb part. What part dear? Limb part. Okay. In this what you having? You having a, what is this one? Arm. Arm. Okay. How will do the arm? Like this, no? You will do. Yes, every time you will eat means you show your muscles like this, no? What is that one? Arms. Arms, okay? In your hand, you have a arm, you have a wrist and a finger. Let me see the name of the finger.
No.
Yes. What is this finger name? This is your thumb finger.
Thumb
finger. See there and tell thumb finger.
Thumb finger.
Yes. What is this finger name? Pointing finger.
Pointy finger.
Pointing finger.
Pointy finger.
And this is your middle finger.
Middle finger.
Because it is in the middle. Okay. And see here. This is your ring finger.
Ring finger.
You can wear the ring in it. Okay, very beautiful say. Okay, what is this one? This is your baby finger.
Baby finger.
Baby finger. Okay, very good. See, next is your leg. Okay, leg. In your leg you have a thigh. Knee, where is the knee? Knee. See, this is your knee. This is your knee. Yes. And what is this one? This is your leg. See here, what is this one? This
Leg.
is your leg. This is your toes. Very good, my dear. Let me sing a rhyme now. You enjoy to sing the rhyme, yes or no?
Yes,
Okay. Let me sing a rhyme, Sabia, now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am will sing. Along with me, you also sing. Okay?
Yes,
I
ma'am.
get a rhythm from my head. Head. I get a rhythm from my shoulder. Shoulder. I get a rhythm from my hand. Clap. I get a rhythm from my hand. Clap. I get a rhythm from my knee. Knee. I get a rhythm from my foot. Stamp. I get a rhythm from my eyes. I get a rhythm from my nose. Nose. I get a rhythm from my ears. I get a rhythm from my eyes. I get a rhythm from my nose. I get a rhythm from my mouth. I get a rhythm all over my body. I get a rhythm from my eyes. Very good, Sabya. You are very good explosion you having. Very good, super, Sabya. Okay, let me see one more topic. Okay, another topic.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now we're going to play now. Before going to the topic, can we play now? Sabia, now we can play a game now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. The name of the game is hide and seek. I am going to tie your eye. You have to find me and catch me where I am. Okay? Sabia. Oh my God. How you find me?
My wise man.
From my voice you find me. Very good. Okay, one more game. Okay? Let me play now. Once again I am going to tie your eye. Okay? Now see now. What is this one, Sabia?
Flower.
What flower?
Jasmine.
Very good. Okay, next I am going to give one thing. Okay, you have to tell me what is that one. Okay? Open your mouth. What is this?
Chocolate.
Chocolate. How you taste it?
Yummy.
Yummy? Okay, very good. Next, hold this one and tell me what is this?
Elephant.
How you find, Sabya? Everything you find. How?
Ma'am.
You find everything.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. How dear, you find everything by tying your eyes also, you find everything?
No, ma'am.
Through your sense organ, you find everything. Okay, eyes, I have tie your eyes. During the time, did you see me? No.
No, ma'am.
No, very good. After I remove, did you see me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. From your ear, you hear my voice and catch me. Yes, right?
Yes, ma'am.
By your nose, you smell the flower and tell it. Yes,
Yes,
right? Then by taste, you say this is a chocolate. By feeling, you say this is your elephant. Yes, right? Very good, my dear. Why? How do you find this everything? Through your sense organ. Yes, right?
Yes, ma'am.
These are all the parts having the special nervous system that is stimulating your brain
Yes,
to
ma'am.
find everything. Very good, my dear.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, dear. We already see that our body is divided into three main parts, right? One is a head, trunk and a limbs. This one is subdivided into many parts. Okay, the first in the head part we have subdivided many parts. First is your hair, H-A-I-R, hair. Next one is your forehead, F-O-R-E, for, H-E-A-D, head, forehead. And next one is a eyebrow, here eyebrows, E-Y-E-I-B-R-O-W, eyebrow. Next is your eyes, E-Y-E-S, eyes. Next is your nose, N-O-S-E, nose. Next is your ears, E-A-R-S, ears. Next is your lips, L-I-P-S, lips. Next is your tongue, T-O-N-G-U-E. Next is your teeth, T-E-E-T-H. And next is your neck. I said no, from here to here is your head part. And next is your trunk part. Trunk part, you have only two things. One is your chest and another one is your abdomen. C-H-E-S-T, chest, A-B, up, D-O-M-E-N, abdomen. And next is your limbs part. I said 2 hands and 2 legs is said to be a limb part. Okay, limb part. This first one is a S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R, shoulder. And next one is your elbow, E-L-B-O-W, elbow. And next is your wrist, W-R-I-S-T, wrist. Next is your fingers, F-I-N-G-E-R-S, fingers. And in the leg part you have, first is your thigh, T-H-I-G-H. Next is your knee, K-N-E-E. Next is your foot, F-O-O-T, foot. Next is the last one is your toes, T-O-E-S. I tied Sabia's eyes, but she has identified the many things I showed. Through her, which organ? I already said no. What is that one? It's your sense organ. Okay. Let me see the sense organs. Okay. E-Y-E-S, eyes. N-E-A-R-S, ears. N-O-S-E, nose. T-O-N-G-U, tongue. S-I-S-K-I-N, skin. Okay, these are the 5 sense organs. From the eye, you can see the object and also you can see your image in the mirror. From your ear, you can hear the sound of this musical band and this musical instrument, and also you can hear the bird's voice. And the next one is a skin. From the skin, you can feel the hotness of the coffee and you can feel the softness of this teddy bear. And from the nose, you can smell your soap and flowers. You can identify what the thing is. From the tongue, you can taste the food and identify whether it is a sweet or spicy, or else it is a salty, or else it is a bitter, or else it is going to be your sour. You can identify from that tongue. So these are the sense organ. All are connected with our brain. I said no before itself, it has a special nervous system. Through the special nervous system, it can identify what the things which are presented. Next we're going to see growing up. So here you have a 6 stages. One is a baby, next one is toddler, another is a child, next is a teenage, and next is a adult, and the last stage is old. When you are growing as a baby, after that you will reach this stage. While you are walking, is right, you will walk, no, that period we will say as a toddler. After that, while you are coming to a school, this period we will say as a child. After you reach to the +1 +2 or next is your colleges, during that period we will say as a teenage. After that, while you are going for a office, going for a work, that period we will say as a adult. After that is a old age. You having your grandma and grandpa in your home, is right, they attend all the stages, then lastly only they reach to the old age. So these are the growing up stages. Okay, thank you my dears. Everyone will like this lesson, is right, because it is a very beautiful lesson. It is about our body only. So I am having lost, I will show you the growing up stage. Okay, first one is a baby, another one I said no, you will start to walk and you will play, no, that is your toddler, and next one is a child, you come to the school, is right, and after that a teenager, you will be reach at a +1 +2 and the college stages, and after that is your adult. While you are going for your work is a adult stage. After that is your old, you will know that is the last stage. Okay, once again thank you.